What a good quick little workout. My hair is curling up. I kind of like it right now, but I'm still sweaty. I got an abrasion from putting the weights back. It hurt, but it didn't start bleeding. Oh, look at this bird. Look at this bird. What bird is this? What bird is this? Hello? Okay, the bird is on the park bench now. It wants to eat me. Anyways, heading back to the dorm now. So, yay! For breakfast this morning, sugar-free pudding cup with some chocolate and tofu miso soup. Yummy! I love wearing blue, and I'm only wearing this like jacket over because it might rain again and it has a hood. So here's the fit. I love monochromaticness, and yeah, let's head to chemistry. I tried to do my hair as well, kind of like similar as, because I know with like the rain and everything, my hair is just gonna curl up anyway. So I love the fit and the hair today, so, and the makeup, so yeah. I just got back, but I'm in my SI session right now, so I'm gonna do that before I pack up and go. No, the stupid power just went out. Just finished the SI session. I don't know what happened with the Wi-Fi. It went out, but it was great. I just packed, but I'm gonna just write real quickly these bio notes and then probably go to HT and go home. I got to the last part of my notes. The Wi-Fi went out once again, so, but it's almost time for me to leave anyways, so I'm gonna probably just pack my car and go to HT. Honestly, I don't know. I'm gonna see if there's anything else to really do before that I need to specifically do here. Oh, well, I can't really check, but we'll see what we need to do before we leave, because I need to pack this, but yeah. Got my HT and we're ready to drive home. Let's go. Little Target run real quick. I really want these stickers, but not for $10. Sorry, no. They actually have CB1 here, but not today, I'm sorry. I'm trying to unpack right now, but he just wants attention. He's so cute. We have HBO Max. It has My Neighborhood Totoro on it. Oh my god. I'm so excited to watch it. All unpacked. We set up to watch this movie, but I'm gonna show you what I got at Target. So first of all, I had a $20 gift card. That's why I didn't get the stickers. And I still had to pay $1 because it was $20.06. But I got some powder, some AA batteries because I need only 2 for my camera. And I'm really disappointed that I couldn't find like 2 other batteries, but I couldn't. New facial cleanser and index cards. Even though I put in the batteries right, it's still not working. I don't know what's wrong. Never mind, I'm dumb. I had to fix the orientation they were placed in, but now it's working. Yippee. Got my mom to take a picture of me and Boone. Oh, it's so cute. Right now, I'm a little stressed out, so I'm just journaling right now. But we're gonna be getting ready for bed soon, but by bed, I mean I'm gonna get ready for bed and then lay in my bed and do assignments and stuff. Likely. I'm in bed with this one now. We're just gonna work on assignments and other stuff, and also the vlog, and just head in for early night. I do have to wake up at 2 a.m. So tomorrow's gonna look a little different.